Welcome to Ngoboten Shop channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. Please make sure that you subscribe. Just click the subscribe button and help us to reach 10,000 subscribers. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Just click the subscribe button and make sure that you help us to reach 10,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. This is Ngoboten Shop channel. We are here at Loftus Versfeld. Mamelodi Sundowns 3, Sekhukhune United 0, my brother.
0, yeah. Sure.
Good man. Yeah, Sundowns, how do you feel about the game tonight?
The game was very nice. I like the penalty. It was well struck. I'm
Sales.
From Sales. It was well struck. And performance top level. Top level. I like the composure. I like everything relaxed. That game.
Yeah.
I like everything about him.
No mistakes.
He had mistakes, but he could patch them up. He could patch the mistakes.
Hence there was a clean sheet.
Yeah. He could patch the mistakes. So I like Mudau, role model, defender. Because he patches his mistakes. We rasho hore. Game, it's a mashup. Yeah.
Beautiful.
And unluckily, Arabana Siabonga Mabena Lena, one of my
favorite.
My favorite.
Yeah.
Unluckily, Aramon and Nega picture.
No, let's say.
You still have a lot of games here.
Yeah.
You're gonna see him here.
I saw there was a game during the week. That game, I think I'm gonna come because I wanna see Abongama Bay.
Beautiful. All the best on that. Hopefully you're gonna see him.
Okay, thank you.
My brother, how's it?
And sure, Rodman.
Good man, yeah. You are happy.
Nagi happy tata,
Yeah,
Rodman.
what's up?
Lenze sa para skipa le.
Yeah.
Timile. I love that team, Rodman.
Too much.
I love that team too much.
What made you to be happy tonight? Except the goals and other things.
Tonight I'm happy about sales on Rodman.
Like,
I trusted him ga penalty le on kira o ihlaba ke ba boditse le bone kira o ikora.
And I core.
Because I trust him.
Yeah.
Ku tlile batho ba bolela saying he didn't perform mara Rodman.
Yeah.
Ke quality tabo.
Beautiful.
And re sa mo apea.
No, thank you so much. Congratulations for tonight. And you wanna come? Come. How's it?
I'm fine. Thanks.
Good.
How are you?
Good.
I'm
You're
fine.
sweating, man. What's happening?
The game was hectic.
Yeah.
But we won.
You won.
Didn't change. We won.
3-0.
Hey, it was hectic.
Yeah.
I love the quality and I love the clean sheet. You know, it was a clean sheet and I loved it. And you know, it was very unique, that game, and it was every open space that they got Mamelodi Sundowns, they used it.
Yeah.
And I love that for them.
You look like Ribeiro. Are you his brother? His younger
Ribeiro?
brother? Yeah.
Ribeiro, I known him before he was born. Before he was born, he was my brother. I had a dream.
Yeah.
You know, I actually gave him that gift.
Yeah. No. Beautiful.
But jokes aside, the game was very unique, and it was you could see the talent, even the people at the stadium.
Yeah.
It was very performing. You know, there was times where people were frustrated, but you can see the performance and the quality and the you know, the performance. It was very well.
Beautiful.
And I love the clean sheet. The clean sheet was very beautiful.
Clean sheet, 3 goals, 3 points.
3 points.
Well done.
You know,
Thanks,
Sandawana.
Kabuyelo. Congratulations.
Well,
Thank you so much for making sure that you support the channel. Please keep on supporting the channel by viewing our videos. And those who haven't subscribed, please make sure that you click that subscribe button to help us to reach 10,000 subscribers. Thank you.